Okay, we're going to edit domains in a knowledge base in data quality services. So we've got the data quality services client open here, connected to our server, and we're going to open our knowledge base, which the one we're going to edit is TK463 customers. So we click on that, and we're going to be performing domain management in the activity, which is down there. So we click next, and the first thing we're going to do is add a new value in city. So if we go to domain values, and we're gonna add a new domain value, and this time we're gonna enter München, and that's gonna be incorrect, and so it's gonna correct to München. Again, we click off, and it should go back to alphabetical order, and we'll just filter the values on error values, and we can see there Munich and München both go to München, and we can see the one we just added was learned on the last discovery, so that's there. Okay, now we're going to create a domain in this knowledge base, and we're going to call it street address, and we're going to we're going to clear the enable speller, we're going to disable syntax error algorithms, and our data type is going to be a string, and then we're going to click OK, and we're going to do term-based relations here, and what we're going to do, we're going to add a new relation, and we're going to have ct dot is going to correct to court. We haven't actually got any values in the street address yet, so we can't apply the changes, but if we did have values we could apply changes, and ct dot would be changed to court. Right, we're going to add another domain, and we're going to call that birth date. The data type this time is going to be a date. We're going to leave the leading values and format output to. Click OK. And this time we're going to set a domain rule. So we're going to add our new domain rule, and the name is going to be min birth date. And what we're going to ensure is that the birth date, so you've got lots of options there. So we're going to say value is greater than the 1st of January 1900. Click off. You can see that that's there. Again, we can't apply the rules as we haven't got any values for it yet, but the rule is ready. We're going to add another domain. I'm just going to call this occupation, and we're going to enable the speller on this one, leave it as a string, and we're not going to disable syntax errors, so we click OK. So this would spell check the occupation, and we're going to do the last one on email address. So another domain, I'm going to call it email address. Again, we can use a string data type, and we're going to uncheck the enable speller, and we're going to check the disable syntax error, and we're going to click OK. And we've got a domain rule that we're going to create again, so we're going to add, and we're going to use regular expressions, so it's going to be email regx, and we go to our drop down, and we're going to say the value matches regular expression. Just got to type this in. Venture works. Click off, and then we're going to add another condition to the rule, and it's going to be an OR, and it's going to be the same regular expression as this except 1D at the beginning. click outside. Oh, I haven't changed it to match regular expression. Click off. Again, we can't apply the rules as there are no values yet, but then we're happy with that. So there are all our domain changes, and we're going to click finish, and we're going to publish our knowledge base with the changes, and click OK. And there it is again, TK463 and a recent knowledge base.